What's up YouTube, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'll be showing you guys how to adjust a derailleur. So with that said, let's get started. Screwdriver. Locate the two screws on your derailleur. Bring back your screwdriver, and if you screw in, the derailleur moves to the lightest gear, and if you unscrew, the derailleur moves to the heaviest gear. So make sure when you are adjusting your derailleur, it hasn't gone past the 12. As you screw in your screw, the screw pushes on this piece of metal, and this piece of metal is under lots of pressure because of the spring. That's why when you unscrew or screw in your derailleur, it moves. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, not miss another video.